Alright, y'all. I need to stop saying alright, y'all. Like, what's up with that shit?
That's me.
It's I'm like, damn, why I'm always talking about alright, y'all? Find something else to say. But it's day 3. We still in Pattaya. We was supposed to leave today, but y'all know how we do. It's like, why not? It's a Saturday. Just continue out the weekend. I don't like that word either, weekend, because bitch, ain't nothing a week over here by the weekend. You feel me? But we finna go try this place called Cajun Café. Supposed to be some Cajun foods. So anything that got Cajun attached to it or soul food, American, gotta go try it out. Cool hotel too. It might not look like much, but I feel like this is a good place to stay, and it's very affordable, like in the budget, on the budget, whatever you need to spend. But let's head out. Let's go. To the Cajun, leave me alone. We made it to the Cajun Life Cafe. I wish I would have got y'all a shot at the menu, but it ain't too much occasion. But they got like gumbo, they got a po' boy, they got shit like that. So we gonna see what the hype about. Because we done heard a lot of hype about it. And I seen some gumbo somebody had, but I'm scared to try it, I'm not gonna lie. So I just got the shrimp platter. And Chad, what you got?
Something that's not even nigga food. I got cornbread, spicy cornbread.
Kool-Aid and shit. You talking about what a Kool-Aid?
They think, I guess they think because it's cornbread that it's Cajun.
Cajun.
No, this is a whole Mexican dish. Y'all finna see.
It is. They really gotta stop playing with our name when it comes to the Cajun shit. Like Houston and New Orleans, Louisiana, like that's where that shit really originate from. So it's like, especially Louisiana. So it's like, if you gonna use that name, stand up to it. Don't just be making names to say, oh, this gonna get the Americans' attention, and then when we come, we disappointed. Like, you feel me? But we gonna see if it's a disappointment or if it's not. You know what time it is. Started out with some smoothies. I wonder if this. I don't think I like it.
Where is this for? Mama, you got it with no sugar. I don't know about
No, I think it's milk. Like,
oh, okay.
I'm gonna tell them I'm lactose intolerant. I can't do that. I'm gonna have to do something.
It's in the house.
For real. French fry looking like Popeyes a little bit.
Hey, what's the other? It's not bad. It just needs a little kick or something. Yeah. Yeah. I rate it like a 7. It's not bad.
That's not bad, a 7.
Have you finished your shrimp?
That's good. I give him a 10. Chrissy got a wrap. No, I'm talking about, what's up? My hair, I got food on my shit. I got it. Hey.
What's good with you, man? What's good with you?
Got our people.
What
the
you said?
gumbo, like it's bomb. Like I'm probably
said
give it like
bomb,
an
right
8.5 out of 10.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
That's like from her.
That's good. That's a little high right there.
Let me see.
I'm gonna say,
You know.
before I know if you probably end up that sauce definitely works.
Alright, so y'all know I gotta let y'all know what the gumbo hitting on for real, for real. No rice or nothing.
No
Alright.
Nothing. Hold
Raw and
on.
uncut. Hold on, let me get a little chicken on it. Hold on.
Yeah, sure.
Alright.
This damn camera,
Tell
child.
them. Definitely. If it had more of a kick, it'd be like a 9 out of 10. You know what I'm saying? Sit back here at an 8.5.
It's really not bad. They just need to make this shit less thick. That'll make it better.
So
Appreciate that.
they not the same.
This that crudneck right here.
About T-Fam, I'm thinking about some healthy shit. You know you,
boy.
man. You know you.
But in Bangkok, nigga, we going crazy over this shit. I don't even want the ice.
That's that crack.
That crack from 1993.
Once.
Oh my God. It tastes just like it.
I described that bit perfectly, huh? In the video.
The sunset nice. Look at them. So cute, huh? Happy birthday. You're welcome. It's her birthday. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I mean, that's because it's a lot of sand right there, though. But it's still beautiful. Look, they in that shit. The dogs just be out here. Alright, we came over to the Jomtien night market. We got my dog J Money in that bed. And Chaz, of course.
Damn, let's go, man. Day 3 in Pattaya.
Day 3 in Pattaya. I'm definitely just coming for the samosas. I'm not going, y'all. I'm not going, y'all. That good old fish with rice. Fresh fruit smoothies, 30 baht. 30 baht, that's $1 and some change. I ain't never really. Oh, and these ribs right here. Aloy mak ma. Listen, aloy mak ma. Them real good too, Chad. They got the dessert. Oh, these noodles low-key look good as fuck. Can never go wrong with the kebabs. Tacos. These guys say they gonna get a shawarma, a doner kebab.
I'm stuffed with that fucking cornbread.
Hell no.
You had that gumbo, that's why.
Yeah, I need more.
She talking about you ain't hungry.
I know once I think at first started picking up, once we started drinking,
Shut alive. Come in, grab your daily heart meat. Yeah, Saturday night. They got the chicken with the legs bust wide open.
They got ribs on the other side, you know? But if you want duck,
That duck.
whatever you want, they got, yeah.
Roasted half chicken. That shit look good. Nah, I'm in Pattaya.
hey.
So, hey.
I got fish from him yesterday.
Nah.
Extra crispy.
Yeah, chicken polo. Like chicken polo. Can't believe my samosa lady not here. I'm about to cry. They go some more chicken. They got hot dog, ham hot dog, salami hot dog. Appreciate that, Jennifer. I'm doing 2 things at one time. YouTube and TikTok. That J Money. I'm sure y'all tripping. No sugar.
No sugar?
Yes. Y'all know I don't like all that sugar shit. Don't put that sugar in my shit. They got a lot of different options though. They got banana and passion fruit. I don't know what that is in that liquid. Avocado and melon. Avocado and pineapple. You can see it right here. Alright, we at that little spot. It's a cool little what's this? I'm not about to play that shit. Cool little vibe though.